There's a little back and forth going on here. They're planning out how they're going to run the wagon wheel deadlifts. So let's watch them assemble this assembling the assembly, the best kind of thing to assemble. See what goes on here, my friends. So obviously this is an addition of weight. This is addition of weight, my friends, meaning I'm learning this, I'm not an athlete, as you think you probably know. So when I say this is 500 pounds or whatever, 515 I think, then this is obviously including probably this I'm going to say pipe, this axle, right, and these wheels, not just the wheels, not just the weights going on, which are 100 pounds a piece. These guys here are 100-pound weights, which the Wildcat is not going to go near. I'll break a claw on that thing. Oh my God! I'm not that kind of guy, but I am a guy to film this for you. That's all I need to do, and thank you for it. Yeah, so now it's going to take 2 or 3 of them to just shift it where they want it for now, but so they're going to stand on this box, my friends, and they're going to bring it up and down to their waist, about to their belt, maybe about to their stomach muscles, and then down again, bang off the ground, back up, bang off the ground, back up, bang off the ground, back up. This is how this is going to run. Bang, bang, bang. For reps, meaning 4 reps means you're winning by the amount of times you do this, right? You bring it up and down, off the ground and back up. Last time I saw this done, last year, I think someone did it 21 times. And he was a small guy, to my estimation. Smaller than me in height, which means nothing, but my God, and some larger folks, they only get 10 or 11 or 15 done. So this is just nothing, there's no rhyme or reason to this. It's all dedication. It's all your inner spirit, your inner strength, your resilience, and your friends around you that are cheering you on. You'll see this happen when they start this stuff. They want their friends to keep going. They want them to keep going as much as they can, than they never have before. This is what this is about. I'm getting very excited. I know I'm starting to mumble here, but geez. So we're just checking this out empty. So this is the bang up and down I'm talking about. Okay. I'll be back after they get it set up. Touch not.